We're going to start out with the Action 3 Factory Reset English, and we're going to have all these tips showing up. We want to go into the ISO setting and we want to show you everything here, but let's first set our camera up to 4K video resolution at 24 frames per second, and we click on here. We have to enable Pro by clicking on it and going to exposure. At default value of automatic, it is 1/60th of a second, 0.00 EV value, 100 through 12,800 ISO. In order to change from this to manual, we go into the manual. We are at EV value -3.0 disabled, 1/100th of a second enabled, ISO is at 100. When you change the ISO to 12,800, you're now allowed to use your EV value. You click on EV value and you're able to work on it, and there you go. Now if you adjust down to the rule of thumb, 1/24th to 1/48, you have 1/40th and 1/50th, no 1/48th of a frame. So if you don't want to touch anything in here, or if you want to shoot at a lower ISO so you don't get grain, 3200, 1600. Now, like a GoPro, you have minimum 100, maximum 1600. But let's say you want to shoot at 1600, you're going to just simply go up to 1600, and that'll be your minimum and maximum right there to be locked on. Now, you won't be able to adjust your EV value. It brings it down so it could take some of the grain out, most of the grain. And there you have everything there. So everything here is nicely set up for low level shots. A lot of people like to shoot at 1/32 of a second. 1/64 may be too much. 1/16 is about the borderline of low light. So in order not to mess this up, you go back to automatic. You leave it at 100 through 12,800. And you could adjust your EV value like you like, but you won't have any control over your shutter speed. You confirm this and just make sure that you offer ProRes in order to be back on the fully automatic use of the camera, and that is about ISO and some of the features and function.